All right, then. Looks like Team Bravo has the lead for now. I think they're setting up for early rotations now. We got 3 coming in. Bravo's just holding those angles down. Everyone has a nice little good angle up there. Try to keep them off the point or get near the point. Bad nade there from P. Still recovers cert. Still gets killed. We got 2 pushed into point now. I think they can start to get a couple of points here and there. Looks like they're no longer going to point. They might be going for an early rotation again. Looks like Captain Smiles is setting a bit of an overwatch on there. Looks like they are better gunners right now.
And they're rotating. Early rope.
With an excess amount of time, at least 30 seconds before they started rotating there.
That
Might want to get an early setup now.
That hill's just too hard to break.
Yeah. If you get a good setup on it, it's an easy 60, but you know.
Yep.
It's very difficult to do. Okay, Rojo sort of peeking it in. Next point here. Loses that gunfight. Kind of a bit of a heady there. Teammate was there for a trade-off. Can they get a big lead here? Raz with a kill. Almost had a second one, actually. Teammate got the other one.
Gotta reload.
They're holding off the angles pretty good here. There you go. Yeah. Got a trade off there.
Good trade, good trade.
There's Rojo. Yep. 20 seconds left on point. Will we go for another early rotation? Looks like they are. You need to be careful with the other. Yeah. You need to be careful for the other rotations. Yep, there it is. If they set up there top AC, it's a bit hard to be defending from up there, but it's also hard to get them off.
Nope. A good kill by Raz.
You're open up there, but you have a lot of places to like defend your teammates. A trophy coming in real clutch.
Absolutely.
You got caught between three, needed a bit of help. They're still up significantly. They're about 60 points up. 30 seconds left on. I think I'm going to try to set up for another rotation here and there.
He didn't see him.
Root beer, nice hitting little spot right there. He could not be seen.
Saw his leg, but Rojo didn't see him.
Yep. You can see Root beer. Yep, there he is. Going for the little top AC heady right there. See if Captain Smiles can get a kill. Oh, he could not. Good shots by Mostly Pineapples there. Good shots.
There we go. Rojo.
And Rojo sort of spotted him up there.
Good for the early rotate by Rat.
Yep.
Other team's already there.
Looks like we got a random player joining Team Bravo right now. Might be some error or something right there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna check in that real quick. Give me a moment.
Don't go in there, trap.
Might have been some random. I think the lobby might have been open for anyone to join. Gonna get that corrected.
Oh. Cool. Rojo playing his life there.
Starting to get the gap is starting to close here now. They're only off by 20 points. Trying to focus a bit on Team Alpha for a bit, see what they're trying to do. Get an insight on them. They're spawning way out. They have a Bravo has a big advantage right now. About 30 more seconds left on point. Good trade-off there. Still, Team Bravo has other teammates behind. Difficult to see. 20 seconds left. Was Team Alpha going to go for an early rotation? It looks like they're still trying to push point with only 15 seconds left. Team Bravo gets going to get scraps for now. Great beard holding in the angle right now.
Good kill by Rojo.
Gets killed. Good shots by Rojo, yeah. Bravo wants to take this point. They're going to have to push as a team together. And they're holding it down pretty.
Raz.
Ooh, bro.
Good kill.
Get
Good
a trade-off right there. It was a good trade-off right there, but it was 2 for 1. Not very good. Sees his door open, sees if he can get him. He peeked the wrong side. I'll get God to see if Ruby can get a kill here. Gets wall banged through the door. Excellent shots by Team Bravo right there.
Like Team Alpha
14
still.
seconds. I don't think they should be pushing this point. They should probably get for another rotation.
Yeah, they're rotating.
Have a big gap to close if they want to. Stay in this game, but looks like Team Bravo is on point. If they manage to fight them off here, they'll win the game. Look at Team Alpha starting to cap. There you go. They need to stay on point if they want to stay in the game.
13 seconds left to win the game. Bravo.
Team Alpha did a good job of holding them off right now.
Rojo got caught in a reload. Good shots by Root Beer.
Good shots, yes. Can barely see them. That was a good heady, but just good shots from Root Beer there. I think Bravo needs to start setting up on next point if they want to win the game. If not, Alpha has a good chance of bringing it back. Yeah.
It looks like Bravo's spawn too.
Yep. They have a big advantage right now. They see if they can capitalize on that and get the game going.
3 on new, 4 on new.
5 seconds. They have to hold them off, even for just 20 seconds minimum, and they'll win the game. See if they can hold it.
Not able to.
Yikes, it looks like Alpha is coming back. They might make a comeback here.
I think that.
No one's on point yet. Oh, there it is. There, yeah.
I think that random player's running in. Going off.
No, here they come. Team Bravo, come on. There you go.
Bravo holding the point now.
10 more seconds, and they win. 5. Let's see if Team Alpha is going to make one final push, try to stop the game. There, it looks like they won't be able to do it in time. Not in time. Good game, though. They were making a good comeback right there.
That was a heck of a game.
Looks like the Puppeteers will take the first game. Excellent gunfights here and there. Rascal popping off with 31 and Crazy. And Root Beer with 25 on the other team. You know the upcoming match? What map it's going to be?
Coming, we have Search and Destroy on High Rise.
Ooh, an excellent game mode. See how it's going to pan out.
Search and Destroy is my favorite game mode. It turns out.
Bit nerve-wracking when it's a head-to-head one. I think there's going to be a swap of hosts, right? Even out the
yeah, the
latency on each team.
Yeah, the next team is hosting.
Yeah. This one was Central. I think it was pulling towards Central, so let's see where it pulls this time.
I don't know. Yeah, it's Central time. I don't know the other teams.
Excellent time by Captain Smiles. He got 2 minutes on point. 1 minute and 30 for Raz. 48 for mostly Pineapples. Rojo had 5 points. The other team sort of more evened out, but there was Root Beer with 1 minute and 59. All right, looks like we're just waiting for the go ahead and get the match started, and we'll be in for some search and destroy on high rise. All right, here we go. High rise search and destroy. Game started.
We're gonna start off on team Alpha.
I believe South and Blue might be Alpha.
I'll step away for 1 second.
Alrighty, here we go. Looks like Team Alpha is on the offensive side. Rascal and Captain Smiles bringing down Root Beer and Long to Silver. It's a 4v1 situation. Can Crazy Pills do something? Never mind.
What happened?
Quick win for the Alpha side. Quick win for the Alpha side. They got amazing picks here and there. Bravo just couldn't respond.
I had to step away for a second.
It's all good.
Looks like Rojo pulled up 2.
Yep. Switching sides now. Let's see how they do on the defensive sides. They were very, very good on the offensive side.
We got an A push, but
Yep. The whole team's pushing Alpha.
Alpha.
They got 2 picks already.
good for free.
Can Rojo go for a bit? I think Rojo is going for a bit of a flank. There we go. Mostly Pineapples was one little pick. Rojo does not see behind him. He is about to get. Yep, there it is. Now it's a 2v1 situation. Silver and Crazy Balls against mostly Pineapples. Good shots right there.
Good win for the Bravo.
Getting the win. It's a 1-1. It looks like we're gonna have a head-to-head competition here. 1-1. Right, if we go Alpha back on the offensive side, see if they can do the same
Like
little
picking up
shit they did. Same thing. It looks like they're pushing Alpha, yeah.
Like they only have one over here.
I think Bravo's going to defend B side.
Ooh.
Mostly Pineapples got caught off guard. A little bit of a flank there. Good trade-off too there.
Ooh.
Looks like Root Beer getting some good wall bang there. I think we have a 2v3 situation now.
Oh, good kill by
We're
Rojo.
getting another, make it a 2v2. Team gets hit on that stun, knows someone's down there, just doesn't know exactly where.
Good kill.
There it is. Russell with a good kill.
Yeah, 2v3, 2v1 right here.
Russell's gonna have to wait a bit to regen before they can make a push. They know where the last one is.
Good
there it
kills.
is. There we go. A little trade there. All with another good offensive push. 2v1 now. Let's see if Bravo can make a push, an offensive push, and get another one. Make it 2-2. Oh, popping off a bit with 6 kills already.
Follow on Bravo right now.
Would be with smoke. Just gonna go face to face with Rojo right here. Loses the gunfight. I don't know if Rojo saw that the bomb was there, but if he can see the bomb, sort of watch over it.
Good trades there.
Yep. Raz and Rojo dead. Now we just got mostly Pineapples on. Now it's a 2v1 situation. They do not know where bomb is right now, but
it is 1v1.
lifting drink.
15.
Let's see if Fizzy can make a plant here. Or will he go for the offensive side and try to pick him off? Mostly Pineapples overwatching B on Heli. No idea where they are. Does he see it? Does she see it?
Does not see him.
Does not.
Trading 2-2.
2-2. It's a 1-1. That's gonna be a good game. Alpha back on the offensive side. I think each team has a strong offensive side, but when it comes to defense, they just can't really hold it off.
Right.
Looks like Team Bravo is doing a 3-1 split.
Good kill on
Rascal, some good shots there.
4 good shots by Raz.
I got 2 kills already.
1v4 now.
Rojo got a kill.
Ooh.
I think we couldn't see it. Crazy Pills got spotted. I think they're gonna be collapsing on him soon. Crazy Pills with good shots gets Rojo. And mostly Pineapples retaliates. A good trade right there. A 3-2. Let's see Bravo go back on the offensive side. See if they can make it 3-3. Great offensive pushes for both teams.
Then 1 on offense.
Yep, 1-1 offense each time.
Follow Crazy Kills for now.
Yep, he's been their fragger for now. 5 kills. No visual on anyone right there. I don't think anyone got a hit on that.
Guess we got a B push right now.
We're gonna find each other right now. Rojo wins the gunfight. Pill's teammate was not there for a trade. Raz holding that angle, so he might get a kill right here if he...
Good kill with
Yep,
Raz.
there it is. Kind of a blind push over there by Silver.
Kill by Smiles.
Yep, and Smiles is the kill.
1v4 situation.
I think the last one got spotted now. They're gonna go back close on him right now. Good secure the defensive win. Rascal gets killed. Does not see him laying down. Rojo spots him though, gets the win. Now we have a defensive win right here. Now it's a 4-2. Got some breathing room now. Bravo's gonna have to step it up a bit now.
Go for a little aerial cam. Possible A push.
A 3-1 split by Bravo again. Interesting. Looks like Rude Beer and Captain Smiles look at each other. Captain Smiles gets the kill there. No teammate to trade. Rojo gets another kill as well. No teammates there for trades off. Rojo gets killed. Good shots there by Pills. 3v2. They know where they are, but they just playing it on the safe side. Raz almost got killed there. They need a trade off here. Gets killed. Gets his toes shot. Crazy Pill's going for a wide flank. Let's see what he can pull off here. 2v1 situation. Can Captain Smiles get a win here?
Does not have bomb.
Bomb is out in the open right now. It's on Alpha. If he goes for a plant right now, I think that he's going to be pinched and collapsed on. There it is. There it is. There's a push. Yep, there it is. Defensive win now for both teams. Alpha still 1 point above. Let's see if they can put either... Oh, they're on the defensive side. Let's see if they can pull a defensive win here. Oh, wait, no. Yeah. Rojo with 11 kills. Beating a fragger out here. Crazy Pills with 8 as well.
Rojo's absolutely going crazy.
There's a 2-2 split. Looks like Team Bravo is pushing all together.
All together on B. 2 kills by Rojo.
Yes,
Rojo's
2 kills,
down.
yeah. Mostly Pineapple's getting shot at. She sees them. Does not see the push.
For life.
She knows she's being pushed.
That's taken down.
Now it's a 2v2 situation. Alpha on the defensive side does not know where they are currently.
Just missed.
All time, Rude just missed mostly Pineapples.
Looks like Rupert here is going around the flank.
Mostly Pineapples got a kill on Silver. Root Beer was not there to get a trade.
Good scene.
Almost killed him right there. We got 20 seconds left on time.
Ooh.
And Smiles here with good shots here to seal the win. Now they got some more breathing room. One more point and they seal this victory right here. Bravo needs to step it up a bit if they want to at least tie it up.
Get 1 more round win by Alpha. Got another 3-1 push.
3-1 push. Looks like he gets some shots on Rojo right now. Does not get the kill, but gives away his position. I think Smiles gets killed by a nice heady. Good shots there by Root Beer. Looks like he knows that Mostly Pineapples is there. Mostly Pineapples gets a kill. Sees the head, barely sees the head, but manages to get the shots off and gets the kill there. 2v2 situation now with
2v1
Alpha on the offensive. 2v1 now, yeah.
Taken down.
I think they might go for an Alpha plane right here.
2-2. 6 is trying to look over both points.
He's just holding it down Bravo right now. Gets spotted, gets killed, and there it is. Puppeteers come off with another win here. Looks like, see if we can bring up the scoreboard, see what's going on now. 15 kills for Rojo. Mostly Pineapples at 6. 4 for Smiles. Raz with 6. Root beer 6, fizz 4, silver 3, and pills 8. Nice little game there.
Oh, absolutely going off that.
You know what the next match is going to be?
Second. Next is High Rise.
Control high rise.
And I think we are swapping host again. Yes.
All right. So we're just setting up the lobby for now.
Yep, just setting up the lobby. Oh, Critter, what's up, dude?
Hey, what's up, man?
Well, you boys are popping off tonight.
Hello.
I heard. That's why I came to check it out.
Yeah, dude. I got it streaming in Discord, so that way it's not delayed.
No, hell yeah. Who are they playing against?
They are the Chicago
Hey guys,
Hunted.
what's going on?
Why does it say, "Hey guys"?
Who's
I
hunting them?
did it so I could trick people.
What'd you say, Critter?
I was just wondering who's hunting them. I was being a smartass.
I was about to say.
Yeah, we're just getting the next lobby set up.
Sure.
So what if they
was-
win? They don't got to play anymore.
Yeah,
I
if they win this match, it's over. Best of 5.
Best
Oh,
of 5, yep.
Sweet.
It was good S&D right now on high rise. We went back and forth for the first, was it 4 or 5 rounds? Yeah.
Back and forth. Out their groove.
I mean, 15 and 15 and
15 and 5 was dude.
or 15-5. Yeah, I'm sorry. No, that's crazy. Hey man, if you got good at search, that's fucking awesome for them. Or freaking
Oh, yeah.
awesome. Oh, is that control on high rise?
Yes, sir. Control high rise.
Is that going to be one of the ranked maps this year?
Yep. All these are ranked maps.
Wow. Yeah, I haven't even looked too much into it. I've been doing I just finished the camo grind. Now I really have no motivation to play the game.
Yeah. Dude. Going on.
Like I said, we're having a bit of trouble trying to set up the lobby now.
Yeah, the game's a buggy mess.
Yeah. It looks like we're in the lobby now, but can't see anyone on Team 1 or Team 2. Might be a bug. There it is. There it is. They need to be switching teams right now, though.
Where's Crook?
He's working.
I believe he's at work, yeah.
Oh, shit.
You get there, guys. There we go.
Looks like
See
a
switches,
team
I
is
can
set
see.
up. We still need
If you're saying, yeah.
the Puppeteers to
All right.
either come into the lobby or
High rise, game mode, control.
something. They're not in the lobby.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Setting up now.
What's this next one? Hardpoint? High rise?
Control.
Oh, control, high rise.
Little control-y troll.
Like the team already.
Is it me? Oh, there they are. They just all appeared.
Oh no, the tab was scrolled down. It was focused on me. They're all there.
Probably, yeah.
Right, control high rise. Potentially last map.
That is if the Puppeteers can hold it.
Yeah, if they're hitting like
You're the
that,
win here.
bad map.
Yeah, if they catch their groove, it's over, dude. They were
Yeah, they win here. They win the entire series right there.
They were focusing this map earlier in practice.
Is this like actually
Good feeling about it.
like a actual tournament thing or?
It's the
Yep,
COD,
it's,
COD
the
Rec
Rec League.
League.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like 7 weeks of Thursday night games.
Oh, nice.
Gonna
Be
be
Segment root beer.
the B push
Right
first.
there.
I gotta pay attention to Discord.
Yeah, in Bravo current.
Also, pineapples is some good shots right there, yeah. Nearly gets the kill there. Didn't quite finish it.
I know this
Gets
is probably a
flanked.
stupid question, but are there GAs yet?
Yes. Yeah, there's a whole list of them.
Gotcha.
Blue pineapple.
Damn. Good shot.
Got one tick down. Raz taking them off.
Raz, good shots there by Raz. A little drop shot there at the end.
Preventing that second tick.
Also, pineapples comes in with a
Pineapples
cruise.
coming in with a cruise. They're gonna Bravo, two pushing Bravo. Oh, Raz.
Call out timing. I got caught with the gun switch right there. This
Other guns.
classic case of call timing.
Got a standoff between Fizzy Lifting Drink and Smiles. Smiles wins it.
Call timing again.
Yeah,
Doesn't
this
know
is
he
not
raps.
the YY.
Still a smile. Like they're all
20
pushing
seconds, I think. Yeah, I think I might take this one. 17 seconds
Kinda
left.
wrapping
Does
around
not
the
see
D.
that he goes on
It's
the
not
outside
the time.
railing. See if they can hold this right here.
Not able to hold it.
Nope. Good shots there by Pineapples and Raz. 7 seconds left.
Good
I think they got it.
trades.
Yeah. They got it right here. Oh, wait, no. Nope. 0.4 seconds left. They got 3 lives remaining. 13 for Bravo. 2 now. 1 left. And that is game.
Round. Is 0-1 Bravo. Good shots by Raz.
Oh, we're switching sides. Let's see how the Puppeteers are on the offensive side now. Good shots there by mostly Pineapples. Sees one more, throws a nade. Gets a nade. Gets 3.
2 of them are
2 of
routine.
them teammates. Great nade, but you know.
They blew the propane tank up. That's what killed them.
Good nade, but yeah. Try not to get your own teammates there. Trophy system down.
Got 1 tick
Neil
down.
got the second tick there.
Tick.
Pretty even out on lives now, actually, no.
Even. 25-22.
25-22, yeah.
Over here holding the pole. Pushing over to B.
Raz with some good shots there, got caught off guard. Rojo with more good shots over here. They're about to get the first tick down. They're actually capping both sides at once. I think Alpha does not know where to go and defend first.
And they pull him off of it. Just in time.
Almost had the tick there for Alpha. Almost had it, almost had it. Raz, this is the gunfight there. There's a nice trade there, right there. Wouldn't have kept his mouth closed if he's laying right behind the wall. If he can get that kill, which he does not, could have helped with a little push right there.
Rojo wrapping around to B.
Team Alpha playing pretty good defense right now. They need to get on point right now. They only have 25 seconds left. Looks like they are for now. They're capping
Okay.
Alpha. So you need to be careful because once they cap Alpha, the timer is going to resume. There it is.
Raz needs to work on that. Done.
Yeah, Alpha now clearing out, being cleared out by Alpha.
Other than that, he's doing good.
10 seconds left. They only got 4 lives remaining too. Excellent defense now by Alpha. Got
Wow,
some
they
some
get
good
on
shots
point
there.
stop with 1.
Yeah, that's a
Seconds
smart
left.
play.
I think they know where they are, and they just collapse on him.
Still holding Bravo.
Rojo. Alright, I think that's game right there.
His game.
Alpha came back with some good defense right there.
They are up on ticks.
Rojo jump off the point.
Yeah, it was pretty much game over there. They had him on lives, so he was the only one left. There's very few time left. Even if he did manage to completely take over Alpha, he didn't have enough time to go over to Bravo.
Once you cap Alpha, once you cap one of the points, it adds a minute to your time.
Oh, it does?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and
All right, there you go. I did not know that.
He wasn't on a streak or anything. That's the only reason I was wondering. He jumped off the point.
I don't know what he's on right now.
It
I think he might
started
have just
off.
wanted to reset. Yeah, he might just want to reset the, just go next one.
Yeah,
It was going to be a very difficult situation, yeah.
I'm sure when you go back and listen to the comms, we'll know what the fuck happened.
Yeah. Kevin Smile sees him. Gets a couple shots on him. Gives away his position.
I'm not gonna lie, I like the way this Smiles dude plays though. He checks every corner.
Oh, yeah. Almost looks a bit what's it called? Paranoid, yeah. Make sure every corner is checked and everything. I don't think he got stunned there, but most was just get the kill.
I just came upstairs to go to bed. Now I want to go back down and play the game.
Up in a dead silence there, needing to go and defend.
Good kill by Pineapple.
Good shots by mostly Pineapples there. The grenade. Oh, he fell off the map. We have first one off the map. Gets caught in the open and loses that gunfight. Caught time at its best.
28 seconds to go. Hopefully get on point. Stop the time.
I still
That's a
trade
good
there.
lead.
Raz in a
Kills
2v1
on
situation, clutches up that 2v1. 15 seconds more and Bravo can get this match going. Stunned. 5 seconds left.
Good teamwork.
1 second left.
Bravo.
And there it is. A Bravo
Here's
win.
another round.
Puppeteers coming in with 2.
Yeah, this is gonna be a hard map to get captures on this year.
Oh yeah.
You almost need like a sniper watching mid.
Bravo can pull it off. It ends it here.
Yeah,
and
but
12.
Alpha was pretty good on the defensive side too, so might be a good game here.
My boy Mike's having some of the best games of his career right now.
That's a fact.
Oh yeah.
Not only that, Crazy Pill's going with 22 kills as well. It's pretty good. 18,
Yes.
9, and 10. Team Bravo, 17, 19, 17, 19. Pretty evened out scores right there. They're all pretty fragging. They're all fragging out. Crazy Pills gets caught reloading. Raz gets caught in the open, kept small, so to go for a trade. There it is. Mostly Pineapples is now trying to cap Bravo. Sees 2, gets them both. No hit on that stun.
One ticket B for the second. Good kill. 2
Oh
hits.
my
Oh,
God.
good. Excellent gunfight right there. Gets caught by the flank though.
That's still capping B. Ooh. Taken out.
Gets a knockoff point. Yep. Mostly Pineapples and try to make a push for Alpha right
Push for
here.
Alpha.
Try to get him off Bravo. Tosses a nade, might get Fizz. Nope, he does not get him. Hits a stun though. Call timing. Call timing right there. Did not see the silver pop out on the red side of the screen. Captain Smiles gets shot from behind. Raz goes for the trade. Gets traded too. Bravo's being capped right now. Halfway through that final tick.
They're capped from.
And there it is. Bravo's been taken. Now it's just Alpha. 2 more ticks. And they can
Lives are-
secure the win. Bravo, yeah, the lives are going a bit thin right now. 11 to 10. A 5 killing spree. 3. There it is.
Pineapples comes in, and they have done it.
There it is. That's the game.
Good shit.
Good streak right there at the end. Did you see that?
Yep.
Excellent shooting.
Very nice.
Three games.
If
Boys
it
and
wasn't for that
girls.
IGL, I would have sold.
Boys and girls.
29-16. Yeah.
29 and 16.
Yeah, I did the worst out of all three of those games. It's fine.
Rojo, 15 and
Hey,
5,
you-
my guy.
Hey. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring the team in.